Hey everybody! Well, if you were ever a teenager in America, you know exactly what this is. This is the cheap IKEA table that you had in your dorm room, that you had in your first apartment. Comes in a little box, have to screw the legs in, takes forever. And this one has followed me through, I'm gonna say 3 different moves, and it's showing the wear and tear of it. I think last I've been keeping it outside. It's got some bumps and ridges, it's places where it's coming up. It's a mess. But I don't want to throw it out yet, because I still think I can get some use out of it. And so today we're going to find a way to just kind of upgrade it a little bit. Now this is a very quick thing, something that you can do in no time flat, an easy weekend warrior project. So I have a bunch of these leftover fence pickets that are, I think these were the 8-foot version, whatever you get. They're made out of cedar or redwood. They're pretty good outdoors. And I had a bunch laying around. So what I did is I cut 3 of them roughly the size of the table. And the great thing is the math works out where it covers it just perfectly. So I'm gonna stick that on top of it. I'm gonna sand it down and stain it. And I'm gonna start with my good old friend, liquid nails for projects. And now I'm just gonna sort of do it along the table here. Nothing in particular or different. I'm just sort of doing zigzags. It's like icing a real ugly cake. Ooh, I feel like I got my workout in. So now I'm gonna take these and just position them across the top. The great thing is, this of course won't set up that quickly. We'll have a moment to play with it. So, putting the 3 together like this. Come on, you. There we go. And just eye it. Remember, this is gonna be sort of rustic. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, that's feeling pretty good. Now from here you could simply clamp it and go about your day. But not me. I'm gonna nail it in using my little Ryobi nail gun. So I'm gonna start around the edges here because I know that's where it's gonna get into the wood that actually makes up this cabinet. Whoops, it fought me there. That's okay, I can come back with a hammer and do the rest of it. Swing this in a little bit. Put some on this side here. Whoops, come on you. There we go. Ta-da! So all I did was do a little sanding of it. I sprayed it with a little polyurethane that's gonna dry. I thought about doing a color to it, but I think because it's such a natural thing already, it's better natural, just like me. So this took me maybe 30 minutes, maybe less to do. It's a great way to upgrade some IKEA and make it a little outdoor ready. So think about doing it, enjoy it, and make your world a little more fancy. Thank you, Reba.